Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by matching ports and powering both displays. This saves time. Plug the primary monitor into your GPU output and the secondary into the next available port. If you need an adapter, use an active adapter rather than passive for reliability. Once both show a signal, position them ergonomically, top of screens at eye level and angled inward. Make sure cables are secure and not stressed. Loose connections cause flicker. Now move to software configuration to declare which screen is primary and which extends. You should open Display Settings and click Identify to see which monitor Windows or Mac OS labels. Drag the displays into the correct relative positions so the cursor travels naturally. This is why physical placement mattered earlier. Select the desired main display so taskbars or docks appear where you expect. Adjust resolution and scaling per screen to maintain readable text. Use native resolution when possible. Set refresh rates for smoother motion on high refresh panels. Choose Extend mode rather than duplicate so each screen is its own workspace. You optimize by placing primary apps where you focus and secondary tools on the extra screen. Drag windows or use shortcuts like Win plus Shift plus arrow to relocate them quickly. Once arranged, enable night mode or calibrate color per monitor so visuals match and reduce eye strain. Save display profiles if your OS or GPU utility supports them. If something goes wrong, blank screen or flicker, reset the cable. Test a different port or cable and update GPU drivers. If still failing, swap monitors to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.